Good morning, student. Grade 5 Maths Revision. First chapter. My practice time 1. First question. Write the given numbers in the place value chart. Write the given numbers in the place value chart. First place value chart. Ones in a place 4. Ones in a place 4. Next tens in a place 3. Hundreds in a place 1, and 8 in a place 1000, 5 in a place 10,000, lakh in a place 6, 10 lakh in a place 7. Next one 0. Next second number 0 in a place ones, 6 in a place tens, 100 in a place 4, 1000 in a place 1, 10,000 in a place 2. Next number 3. 3 in a place lakh, 5 in a place 10 lakh, 9 in a place crores. Next, second sum, insert commas. Second sum, insert commas in Indian systems. First number, insert the commas. Right to left, first 3 digits 1, 7, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Right to left, ones period, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Next, thousands period, 6, 5. Next 2 digits, comma. Next, lakh periods, 3, 7. Last period, 3 commas. First Indian system, right to left, leave the 3 digits, next comma. Leave the 2 digits, next one comma. Leave the 2 digit, next one commas. And second question, 5, 6, 7, 3, 0, 7, 1. Insert the commas, first 3 digits and next one insert commas. Next, after 2 digits, 3 and 7 and put commas. So insert the commas, first leave the 3 digit, next one 2 digit, next one 2 digit, insert commas. Next third question, write the numbers in weights. Write the numbers in weights. So number 79 lakh, 79 lakh, 79 lakh, 86,590, 590. In place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh and 10 lakh. Ones place 0, tens place 9, hundreds place 5, thousands place 6, 10,000 place 8, lakh place 9, 10 lakh place 7. Therefore, 79 lakh, lakhs period, 79 lakh, thousands period, 86,000 and ones period 590. 79 lakh 86,590. In a way, 79 lakh 86,590 is lakh periods, thousand periods and 1 periods. Write the numerals 76 lakh 41,837. 837. First place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Insert 76 lakh, lakh place lakhs period, 76 lakh, 6 lakh, 77 and 6, 76 and thousands period 41,000. So 41,000 and ones period 837. 8 ones period 800 plus 830. So 330 ones period. Last one's value is 7. So 76 lakh 41,837. My practice time 2. Find the place value and face value. Place value and face value of the underlying digits. Face value of the underlying digits. Underlying digits 4. First we find place value of underlying digit. Underlying digit is 4. So 4 counting ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So into 1000. So 4 in a place 1000. So into 1000. 4 into 1000 4000. Therefore the place value is equal to 4000. Next we find face value. Face value is equal to 4. Face value is equal to 4. Next sum. Underlying digits 2. Underlying digit 2. Find place value of 2. So 2 into ones, tens, hundreds. So 2 in a place 100. So multiplied by 100. So 2 into 100 200. Therefore place value is equal to 200. Face value. Next one. Face value. Next one. Face value. Face value is equal to 2. Face value is equal to 2. And next one. Next one. Second question. Write the numbers in the expanded form. So number 4 crores 15 lakh 68,130. So first is equal to. So first we write ones, 0 ones, 0 into ones, 0 ones. Next 3 into tens plus next 1 into 100 plus 8 into 1000. 8 in a place 1000. So 8 into 1000 plus next one 6 into 10,000. 6 in a place 10,000. So 6 into 10,000 plus 5 into lakh. So 5 into lakh plus 1 into 10 lakh. So 1 into 10 lakh plus next one 4 into 4 place. So 4 into crore. So 4 into crore. Therefore 4 into crore is equal to 4 crores plus 1 into 10 lakhs equal to 10 lakhs plus 5 into lakhs equal to 5 lakh plus 6 into 10,000 is equal to 60,000 plus 8 into 1000 is equal to 8,000 plus 1 into 100 is equal to 100 plus 3 into 10 is equal to 30. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. These are expanded form. Next sum. Next ones in a place 0. So 0 into 1 plus next one 0 into tens plus 6 into hundreds plus 1 into thousands plus 0 into 10,000 plus 8 into lakh plus next one 9 into 10 lakh. 9 into 10 lakh. Therefore the value is equal to 9 into 10 lakhs equal to 90 lakh plus 8 into lakhs equal to 8 lakh plus 0 into 10,000 0,000 0 into 10,000 0. So 0 10,000 plus next 1 into 1000 is equal to 1 into 1000 is equal to 1000 plus 6 into 100 is equal to 600 plus 0 into 10 is equal to 0 plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0. It's an expanded form of 98,000 1600. 98,000 1600. Third question, write in the standard form. Given expanded form convert into standard form. First question number A. First question, 90 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 7. So we are in the digits. First one's digit 7, next tens digits 1, next 100 digits 2, next 1000 digits 9, next 10,000 digits 8, next lakh digits 6, next 10 lakh digits 9. Therefore, the final answer 96 lakh 89,217. Second sum, 4 into crore plus 3 into 10 lakh plus 1 into 10. First 4 into crores equal to 4 crores plus 3 into 10 lakhs equal to 30 lakh plus 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Next 4 crores 30 lakhs, hundreds, thousands place, no thousands place, so 0 0, hundreds, no zeros, so we using zeros. Next one 10, so 1 0, so 4 crore 30 lakh 10, 4 crore 30 lakh 10. My practice time 3. Compare the numbers and compare insert less than, greater than, less than or equal to sign. Compare the numbers, insert greater than, less than or equal to sign. First compare the two numbers. Step 1, counting the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digit number here, 7 digit number. And the next one, second number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 8 digit number. Therefore, the comparing digit, second number is the largest digit number. Therefore, using less than symbol. So comparing, first number is less than second number. The first number is smaller than second number. First number is smaller than second number. So second number is the larger number, first number is the smallest number. And question number 2, comparing the two numbers. First, counting the digits. Step 1, counting the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 8 digit number. First number is 8 digit number. Next, counting the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here also 8 digit number. So step 1, digits are equal. Step 1, digits are equal. Next, step 2, comparing the left to right first number. First number 7. Here first number 7. Comparing the two numbers. Which one is the largest number? So 8 is the largest number. So using the symbol less than symbol. So 8 is the largest number. So therefore you see. So second number is the largest number. First step 1, counting the digits. Digits are equal. Second step 2, comparing the first numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8 is the larger number, 7 is the smaller number. So 7 less than 8. So second number is the larger number. And question number D, counting the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 8 digit number. First number is 8 digit number. Next second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 digit number. Therefore digits are equal. Step 2. Comparing left to right first number. First number 9. Here also first number 9. So 9 nines. Two numbers are equal. And comparing second number. Here 1 and here second number 7. Which one is the larger number? 7 is the larger number. So second number is the larger number. Second number is the larger number. So first number is smaller than second number. First number is smaller than second number. My practice type 4. Form the largest and the smallest 7 digit or 8 digit number without repeating the digits. The given digits 6, 7, 8, 1, 0, 3, 4. 1, 0, 3, 4. First we arrange the given digits in ascending order. First one 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Therefore, the larger number is equal to arrange the descending order. We are arranging largest number is equal to descending order 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 0. Sir, largest number. Next one, smallest number. First 0 is not come, so using second number 1 and next one using 0 and 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So we are arranging ascending order. Largest number means descending order. We are arranging descending order. Smallest number means we are arranging the ascending order. So first one digit is 0. We are not using first one digit 0. So using second number 1 and then using 0 in second place. So ascending order 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And the next one here. First we arrange the digits in ascending order. First one 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 7, 8 and 9. So largest number is equal to in descending order 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 1, 0. Smallest number is equal to first digit 0, so not using first digit 0, so using 1 and next using number 0. Next one arranging ascending order 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. So insert the commas, first 3 digits, next 2 digits. Write the successor. First question 34 lakh 65,102. Successor of 34 lakh 65,102. So after the number adding 1. So 3, 0, 1, 5, 6, 4, 3. So adding the number 1, successor means adding the number 1 after the number. So next one adding the 1. So 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 3, 2, 8, 9. Therefore 98 lakh 23,655. Write the predecessors. So before the number, so subtracting minus 1. Before the number means subtracting minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 9, 7. Therefore 79 lakh 92,102. 79 lakh 92,102. So before the number, subtracting 1. The predecessor subtracting 1. Next number, subtracting here 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1 here 8. 8, 3, 2172. Therefore, reduced answer of 27,12,330 is equal to 27,12,389. Next, practice 10-5. My practice 10-5. Rounded off the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. First, nearest, right? First, we find nearest tens. First, we find nearest tens. 4, 1, 3, 8, 9. 41,389. Nearest tens. First, we underline the digits 9. First, we underline the digit 9. 9 is a greater than 5. 9 is a greater than 5. First, underline the digits. 1th place digits 9. So 9 comparing to 5. 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. So in 10th place. In 10th place, we adding 1. In 10th place, we adding 1. So therefore, nearest tens equal to 1's place value is 0, 10's place value is adding 1, 8 plus 1, 9, next 3, 1, 4. Therefore, 41,390. 390. Next one, nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. 41,389. 89. Nearest hundreds. So we come underline the digits. 10th place digits. 10th place digit is 8. So 8 is comparing to 5. 8 is greater than 5. Comparing to 5, 8 is greater than 5. So therefore, in hundreds place adding 1. Adding 1. Therefore, 1's place value is 0. 1's place value is 0. And 10's place value also 0. Next, adding 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 100 place value is 3 plus 1, 4. Next one, 1, 4. Therefore, 41,400. 41,400. Next we find thousands. Nearest thousands. Next we find nearest thousands. Number 41,389. 389. First, we underline the digits. Hundreds place digit. First, we underline the digits. Hundreds place digits. Hundreds place digit is 3. 3 is comparing to 5. 3 is comparing to 5. 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is less than 5. Therefore, no changes in thousand place. Therefore, no changes in the thousand place. So, therefore, the final answer is 1's place value is 0, 10's place value is 0, 100's place value is 0, and 1000 places, no changes in 1000 place. So, using 1, therefore 4. 41,000. 41,000. Next one, second sum. Nearest. First we find nearest tens. First we find nearest tens. The number 9,74,171. First we underline the digits. 1's place digits. 1 is comparing to 5. 1 is comparing to 5. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. 1 is smaller than 5. So no changes in 10th place. So no changes in 10th place. Therefore, the answer is 9,74,170. 1's place value is 0. No changes in 10th place. So 7. Using 7. Next one, nearest hundreds. Next one, nearest hundreds. The number 9,74,171. We underline the digits. 10th place digits. So 10 is comparing to 5. 10th value is 7 comparing to 5. So 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, in 100th place adding 1. In 100th place adding 1. Therefore, 1's place is 0, 10's place is 0, adding 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. Therefore, the nearest hundred is equal to 9,74,200. Next, nearest 1000. The number 9,74,171. First, we underline the digits. 100 plus digits. 1 is comparing to 5. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So no changes in the 1000 place. No changes in the 1000 place. The 1th place value is 0. 10th place value is 0. 100th place value is 0. No changes in 1000 place. 4, 7, 9. So therefore 9,74,000. 9,74,000. And next sum, nearest 10,000. Next sum, rounded off the numbers to the nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. So find nearest 10,000 is equal to the number 81,56,740. First we underline the digits, thousands place digits. First we underline the digits, 1000 place digits. Comparing to 5, 1000 place digits value is 6. 6 is comparing to 5. 6 is comparing to 5. 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. So changes in 10,000 place. Changes in 10,000 place. So we adding 1. We adding 1. Therefore, 1's place value is 0. 10's place value is 0. 100's place value is 0. 1000 place value is 0. Changes in 10,000 place. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Next one, 1, 8. Therefore, 81,60,000. 81,60,000. Next second sum, nearest 10,000. The number 87,34,116. 1's place value is, first we underline the digits, 1000 place value. We underline the digit, 1000 place value is 4. 4 is comparing to 5. 4 is comparing to 5. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. 4 is comparing to 5. 4 is less than 5. So no changes in the 10,000 place. No changes in the 10,000 place. Therefore, 1's place value is 0. 10's place value is 0. 100's place value is 0. 1000 place value is 0. So no changes in 10,000 place. So using 3, 7, 8. Therefore, 87,30,000. 87,30,000. Next one, my practice time 7. Topic Roman numerals. So no Roman numerals in alphabet, 7 alphabets: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I value is 1, V value is 5, X value is 10, and L value is 50, C value is 100, D value is 500, M value is 1000. So repeating symbols: 1, 10, 100, 1000 is a repeating symbol. Mean only 3 times. Only repeated 3 times. And never repeated digits: 5, 50, 500. 5, 50, 500. The repeated digits are 1, 10, 100, 1000. It is not repeated more than 3 times. Not repeated more than 3 times. And never repeated digits: 5, 50, 500. 5, 50, 500. Write the Roman numerals given Indo-Arabic numerals. Write Roman numerals. First we write, expand 50 plus 7. 50 plus 7. In 50 Roman numerals: L, 7 5 double 8. So 50 plus 7, 57. Roman numerals 50 for L and 7 we write 5 plus 1 1, 5 plus 1 1. So 5 value is B and 1 value I, 1 value I. Therefore 57. Next is on 134. 100 expand from 100 plus 30 plus 4. 100 plus 30 plus 4. 100. So value C in Roman numerals. 100 value C. 30. 30 using triple X. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 4 using I B. So value of 134. Next one 1170. 1170. 1000 plus 100 plus 70. 100 plus 70. So 1000 using M. 100 using C. And 70. 70 we read it as 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20. 50 value is L and 20 value is double X. Therefore 1170. 1170. Second question, write the Hindu Arabic. Write the Hindu Arabic. So we write L. L value is equal to 50 and V value is equal to totally V5 plus 1. V5 plus 1 6. Therefore 50 plus 6 56. Next one, L value is equal to 50 and triple X value 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 20. Value is 1. I value is 1. Therefore 50 plus 30 80. 80 plus 1 81. And the next one, D value is 500. C value is 100 and X value is 10. And totally I value is equal to 4. Therefore 600 plus 10 plus 4 14. Therefore 614. The value of Roman numeral is equal to 614. Thank you students. Do well your examination. Thank you students.